Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a circle gradient in Photoshop. Step 1. I already added the circle, then click Apex Gradient Overlay and use your gradient style. Okay, then select your color. I added color. New save. Click OK. Add use color or gradient. I use this reflected. Move. Click OK. And step 2, again create a new layer. Right click, use ellipse tool and use fill color, stroke. Do not use stroke, then hold shift, click and drag on your mouse, then click the apex gradient overlay and select your color. I use this color. Click OK, then use radial scale. OK, and change color, then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.